Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today's topic UKC policy under kill clearance policy. I have already made a video of safety contour setting. Please watch, link is given in the description and in I button. That will be very helpful for you. So let's start the UKC policy video. So let me tell you the minimum UKC required after making allowance for factor like squat, swell, change of water density, list, heel and prevailing weather conditions. So I am giving you general layout of UKC policy. You might have different policy in your company. So let me tell you first, like if we are in port, so we will go to any port. Right now I am in Uruguay, so I will show you. Like at this berth, if the vessel is alongside, the UKC policy will be 1.5% of vessel breadth or minimum 0.3, whichever is greater. That is my company policy. And let me tell you guys, this video is for only educational purpose. I am making this video only for educational purpose. You might have different UKC policy. Just for knowledge I am telling you. And if we are at anchor, just come back to my anchor position, and at anchor minimum 20% of the static draft. So what is the static draft? Static draft is the deepest draft when the vessel is not making way and is not subject to squat sea and swell influences. It includes effect of list, hog, sag, density of water, icing and water absorption of deck cargo where applicable. So I think you have understood the static draft. If you have not understood, pause, after that you play. And if you are in pilotage water, channel, fairway, river, then UKC policy will be 10% of the static draft. And further, UKC policy will be changed for coastal water. Coastal water is considered less than 25 nautical mile from coastline. That is coastal water. And the UKC policy for coastal water will be 20% of the static draft. And in the open water, what is the open water? More than or equal to 25 nautical mile from the coastline. The UKC policy of open water 50% of the static draft. So I have already told you what is the static draft. Now the dynamic draft. Then difference in the dynamic and static draft you can easily define. Dynamic draft, it is the draft of the vessel when subject to squat and other variable. And what are the other variable? Other variables includes changes due to heel, sea state, swell and wave, prevailing weather condition due to winds, change in barometric pressure and other factors also. So basically we have UKC policy in port, pilotage water, fairway channel, coastal water and in open water. So you must go through your company UKC policy for better knowledge. I am making this video for educational purpose. Those who are going for oral examination, please share this video to those guys who are going to give their oral examination. Thank you so much guys. to watch my channel.